What is up, guys? Today I just figured, like, I made this video for TikTok and I cut it and edited it, but I thought maybe you guys would like to see a full uncut version of how long it actually takes me to do like a base layer of some simple dimple wood grain. And as you can see by the length of this video, it's pretty short. It doesn't take long, literally less than 3 minutes without any cuts. I know a lot of you learn, and you know, I gotta apologize for the orientation. I made this video for TikTok, so, oh crap, I'm almost done, I gotta hurry. So, if you notice, I'm sitting a long way away from my work area bench thingy. Some things you just have to learn the hard way. I don't know. You know, crap splatters everywhere. My hand's covered. It's ridiculous. But it's fun. Isn't this fun? Look at this. Just wooden up the whole thing. You miss a spot, do a little droop, droop. That's what I like about these Ranger alcohol inks. They're little tips they got on it. It's like needle nose and super accurate. And you do a little bit, you do a lot. It's amazing. And I know you guys learn a lot of stuff by just seeing how I do something. I know I always do some fancy cuts and edits. I know you guys like that. But I thought somebody is going to get something out of this 3-minute video to see how to do wood grain. They're like, oh, holy crap, I never thought about that. Like the little, you know, spot I missed over there, you just do like, that's it, boom. Wiggle back and forth that brush, that's all you gotta do. And get to the end. Oh, that's longer than I thought. It's hard to talk the whole time. I probably could do some music if you'd like. I don't know. You like hearing me talk? If you do, just hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. You don't have to hit it. I mean, you're probably on your phone or something. You don't want to damage anything, especially if it's like your computer or your phone. I do everything on my phone. So, you know, don't hit it. Just gently just press it. Turn on the bell notifications. Leave me a comment. I love comments. I don't know if you know that. I reply to every single one. If you guys are bored one day, just go to my videos and read my comments and the replies I do to other people. Sometimes it's pretty funny. I don't know. I'm not really a funny guy. So look at that. I'm done. Oh crap. Video's over. Thanks for watching. Go subscribe and check out these other 2 videos right here.